Hello, welcome to TechPoint Fundamentals YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to change the C Sharp version, language version, or how to change the .NET Framework version in Visual Studio. So, sometime we require that we have to change the C Sharp version or .NET Framework version so that we can test a particular feature in any particular .NET Framework version or C Sharp language version. So I have already written a nice blog here. You can see there is two blogs. How to change the .NET Framework version here. So I have pointed out all the step here. How you can go to Visual Studio and you can change the version of the .NET Framework. Also how you can change the C Sharp language version in the Visual Studio if you want to test a particular feature in any version. So today we will learn the practical demo for these two things, how we can do that, and basically why we are making any changes to .NET framework or particular language. So this is Visual Studio. Here we will see, if you see here, there is a class simple console application. I have defined a class here, user. Here I have declared a member user ID as private protected, right? So if you compile this program, then it is saying private protected is not available in C Sharp 7.0. Please use language version 7.2 or greater. So how you will know that what is the version which I am currently using, and how you can change this version to 7.2 if it is available in the Visual Studio. So for that you have to go to the Solution Explorer, right click on this project and go to properties. Under properties, if you want to change the C Sharp language version, then go to advanced. Here you will see the language version C Sharp 7.0. Currently we are using 7.0 version of the C Sharp. So you know that the C Sharp 7.2 has introduced new access modifier. So if you see in here this blog, I have also mentioned interface access modifiers. There are 6 access modifiers in C Sharp 8, like public, private, protected, internal, and private protected. The last one, that is protected, this one, private protected, is introduced in C Sharp version 7.2, and it is not valid before 7.2 C Sharp version. So you have to choose 7.2 if you want to test something with this private protected. So here we will change this C Sharp version from here. If you see here, I have C Sharp version till 7.3. So let's make it 7.3 here, and we will see. Save the program, and here the error is gone. There is no error. If you build the program, no error is here. Build succeeded, right? So this is the need why uh, we change the C Sharp version or .NET. Similarly, for .NET Framework version as well, if you want to change this .NET Framework version, you can also go to properties and application, and here target framework version, you can change it to any of the version, previous version or new version, in whatever version you want to build your application or exe. You can change this .NET framework from here. Okay, so if you want the detail for this step by step, so please visit my website. Here you will see under tips and tricks section, you will get both the articles here, how to change the .NET framework version, how to change the C# language version. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.